Hey guys, Ironhead here in Dad's garage. I wanted to talk to you today about an issue that I'm having with my 24 Road Glide and the Skyline OS system and the difficulty it has with my phone and Apple CarPlay with the system. So anyway, to just be frank about it, as I'm driving down the road and using my navigation through CarPlay, it'll just shut off. And it's done this to me several times, and always in a critical time when I'm supposed to make an exit, of course. So I have to pull over and go through the reconnect thing, and it's just very bothersome. And I'm not for sure if it's the Skyline OS that needs an update or what it is. But what I have been doing is I've been running this Medioc wireless adapter, and I got this off of YouTube, guy in the friction zone. That way you didn't have to hook up a headset. You could just use this along. It's a USB adapter, and this is a USB-C adapter. And this plugs into the portal here and connects to the bike and fools it into thinking that you have a headset attached. That way you can use your Apple CarPlay and not have to be wearing your headset or your headphones. So I'm going to eliminate this and to free that portal up so I can use my phone charger. That's another deal. We ran a 500-mile run this weekend on Saturday, and of course my phone's dying because I'm using it the whole time, either in the dealerships that I'm visiting or as navigation, playing music, you name it. So my phone started dying, and I had no way to charge it because I didn't have my headset configured to the bike. So anyway, this is going to be a convenient thing if I can eliminate this. Now, Cycle Fanatics, John over at Cycle Fanatics, put out a video the other day, and it was fantastic information. Thank you, John. I appreciate that. But he connected us to Torque Custom Cycles, and they produce this dongle that you can just call them up, call the number on the phone, and I'll put that number that he had in his video just in case you guys missed his video. I'll go ahead and put that number in the description. But you can call these guys up and you can order this and they'll mail it to you. No credit cards. You just gonna have to Zelle or Venmo the money, and then they'll send this to you. Depending upon where you live, I'm sure the shipping may be different. But nevertheless, I think this was $115 for me. I purchased the part. It took them 2 days to make it, send it, and it delivered today. So that was, he had mailed it out on Thursday. So I called him on Tuesday, mailed it out on Thursday, and it was in the mailbox today. So hopefully this will work and eliminate this deal over here. Turn his bike on. What we're going to do is we're going to delete that previous configuration that I had here. We're going to delete that USB wireless USB port. We're going to just delete that from the bike. This plugs in under the seat and into an existing plug. No modifications, no cutting the wires. Just plug it in, lay it down, get it all nice and neat. Okay, so we're going to go into the menu. We're going to go up here to Device Manager. We're going to click Device Manager. We'll go down here. Sure, there, that Medioc U5, that's it. And we're going to go ahead and delete this because I'm not going to use that anymore if this works. So that's ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and turn the bike off. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the seat off and get this thing installed. Take this off. Put this down here for a moment. Okay, this is going to plug into this existing plug, and it's got a cap on it, a little rubber cap. So to clip it in, and what we'll do is we'll hide this. Take this and roll this down up underneath here, since we're not going to be using that. And then I'm going to take this and just kind of roll it off to the side. That way everything stays all nice and neat. Okay, so that's all ready to go. Now I'm kind of curious. If this is going to work or not. So it looked really easy the way Cycle Fanatics poured it on. So we'll hope that we have the same luck as him. We turn the bike on. We're gonna wait for it to boot. How about that, guys? 3,325 miles. I guess that's not a lot to some folks, but I do have a normal 8 to 5 Monday through Friday, so all of my riding's mostly on the weekends. All right, so let's see. He said go into device manager. We're going to make sure that Bluetooth is on. It is. And what we're going to do is add a new device. That's it, RCO2. We'll connect that. It paired successful. Okay, let me get my phone. Okay, now that it's, oh, got that on. Okay, yeah. Everything's all hooked up. Well, I'll be damned. Okay, so there we're at it. We are on time with everything that he played on his video. It's fantastic. Looks like it's going to be just fine. So that's it, man. Okay, guys, as you can see, that worked just fine. Everything's going to be good there. So all I need to do is get the seat back on, and then we'll just try this thing out. Now, if this works, we're going to be in business, because that freed up that plug to charge my phone going down the road, and it also hopefully takes care of the disconnecting issues that I've been experiencing, and it doesn't happen going down the road. And again, this part comes from Torque Custom Cycles. They're in New Jersey. I'll put the phone number that Cycle Fanatics put into his video to help any of you guys out in the future, and hopefully that will help out. So I'll let you know how this works out, if it keeps it from disconnecting, and how this works with the new 24 Skyline OS systems. So until next time, you guys stay safe, and thanks for watching.